Hey folks, thank you for stopping by. This message is brought to you by yours truly, Daniel Morrow, creator of EliteClarity.com for all of your business financing needs, and ThatPhoneSitesGuy.com, your resident phone sites affiliate representative. I hope you enjoy this message, and I'll see you on the other side. Cheers. What's going on, Clarity Nation? So what are we going to talk today about? What are the requirements to get a business loan? Not so cut and dry. I mean, it really depends on the program. But like some of the things you're going to need: driver's license, void check, 6 months worth of bank statements, 3 to 6 months depending on your business. 6 months just helps a little bit more, gives a more better picture of your financial situation. If you're seasonal, you might need up to 12 months of bank statements for some programs, right? As little as 3 up to 12, depending on the program. You're going to need assets or collateral. So whether you own real estate, you own a house or multiple houses, multiple properties, you might need invoices, you might need purchase order on equipment. There is any number of things, right? For certain types of loans, you're going to want no less than 10, 15 deposits going into your account every single month, right? Not having a deposit in your account, going to your account for one day, counts as a negative day. And lenders, for a lot of programs, for some programs, they look at your negative days, and you're only allowed an average of, say, 10 negative days over the course of the last 3 months or whatever. So there's that. So that you just need to get your sales volume up. And I know, I get it. Not everybody's in sales. I'm a contractor, Daniel. I build houses and da-da-da-da. Well, sales is a generic term, right? You consider it a sale when you get a new contract. But you need stuff coming in constantly, right? The more you have, the more that's going to be available to you, and the easier it's going to be to acquire capital. The more experience you have with acquiring capital and making payments on time, your payment history, the more you're going to have access to, and it's just a win-win-win, right? Mostly it's a win for you, and that's what we need. We need you making money. And your chances are you're not in business to jerk yourself off and whatever, just kind of coast through the day, right? Chances are you got into business for freedom, lifestyle, make money, be in control of your income, so you're going to want to grow that. And this is a very viable solution to help you do that. So the requirements for business loans depend on the types of programs. Talk to your broker, talk to your advisor, figure out which program is going to be the most beneficial for you to get into, for you to utilize, and go for that, right? Just go for that. But expect that you're going to need bank statements. Expect that you're going to need your ID, void check, bank account verification. Those are kind of the standard things that are needed when applying for a loan. And then the requirements from there change. Revenue, $10,000 a month, right? You want to be making at least $10,000 a month in your business. That's another big one. So deposits, documentation, running balances in your account. You want to keep your daily balances ideally above $3,000. $3,000 is a bare minimum. Above 10 grand, even better. Basically, the more you can keep in there every single day, the better. So whether that's increasing your profit margins or whatever you got to do, just sell more. Just sell more. Get more product out there. Service more clients. Service more contracts, and you will be all right. But that's typically what you need. And I don't know if I mentioned collateral, but I'll mention it again because that's a big one. Whether that's a purchase order on some new equipment, some new machinery, a new vehicle, whether that's real estate, whether that's invoices. Those are the main ones. So I hope that helps, guys. I hope that's given you the clarity you need to proceed. Reach out to me if you need anything, and I will see you guys on the other side. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate you taking time out of your busy schedule to spend some time and tune into this message. If you enjoyed this, please show some love with a like, share, or by leaving a comment review wherever you happen to be tuning in. Don't forget to join us on the Facebook group, Business Owners and Entrepreneurs Network, and head on over to EliteClarity.com to check out our financing options. Cheers.